1980 was a great year for the Trans Am. It was in the movie Smokey and the Bandit. It was actually the first year that they introduced the 301 turbocharged engine. However, this one doesn't have the 301 in it. Instead, it's swapped with the not original 400 cubic inch beast, and this thing is sweet. It's got the Holley Sniper fuel injection system, Edelbrock intake manifold, and these really sweet aluminum billet pulleys. This one also has coated long tube headers and a MagnaFlow exhaust system going all the way throughout. Also has a Hotchkiss Stage 2 suspension on it, and man, this is really sweet. It's in the color called Viper Red, beautiful white interior, and Dakota digital gauges inside, so really has gone through, and this is just a beast screaming down the road.